If your child has a cold and cough, here are some safe and effective home remedies and treatments. Home remedies. 1. Fluids. Keep your child well hydrated with warm water, soups, and herbal teas. 2. Honey. For children above 1 year old, a teaspoon of honey can help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. 3. Steam inhalation. Helps to clear nasal congestion. You can use a steamy bathroom or a bowl of hot water with a towel over the head. 4. Saline drops and suction. Helps clear a stuffy nose, especially for younger children. 5. Rest and sleep. Proper rest helps the immune system fight the virus. 6. Warm liquids. Warm liquid, turmeric or ginger tea, if the child is old enough, can provide relief. 7. Humidifier. A cool mist humidifier in the room can help with congestion. 8. Elevate the head. Slightly raising your child's head while sleeping can help with nasal drainage. When to see a doctor: persistent fever above 100, 4° F, 38° C. For more than 3 days, difficulty breathing or wheezing, severe throat pain or earache, cough lasting more than 2 weeks, signs of dehydration, dry mouth, fewer wet diapers, no tears when crying. As per color therapy, you can apply color as shown in picture. Would you like